Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning quick reload on and off in Garena Free Fire. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Enabling or disabling quick reloading in Garena Free Fire is easy. From the main dashboard of the app, tap the settings icon from the top right of the screen. In Settings, select Controls from the left sidebar. Here in the Control settings, the option for Quick Reload is here, in the fourth option down. You can turn it on or off. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Garena Free Fire tips and tricks.